Hello, hope you're doing good. I'm your host Jason. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to sell digital subscriptions on Wix. The first thing you want to do is create a Wix account, and you can do this for completely free. You're going to go onto wix.com and you can sign up using your email address. After you have created your account, you're going to tap on Create New Site. Then you're going to tap on Set Up Without Chat. After selecting Set Up Without Chat, from there you can type in whatever type of website you like to create, or you can tap on Skip in the bottom right hand corner. Once you have tapped on Skip in the bottom right hand corner, you will be redirected to your dashboard. On your dashboard, you can give your website a name. So I'm just going to be calling it Digital. So let me type that in right there. Then we'll tap on Continue. From here, you can choose your site goals. So one of my goals will be offering services. So we're going to tap on Offer Services and we're going to tap on Continue. Then you can scroll down and this is where you'll be able to add the apps. And this is a very important part of the video. The first app that we'll be adding is the Booking app. You can scroll down. You could also add the Blog app if you want. And the most important one will be the Pricing Plans app, as this will allow you to sell subscriptions and membership. By the way, if it is a case that you would like to sell video or music, you could select either one of these apps or you can select both. Once you're finished doing this, you're going to tap on Continue once more and select Continue to Dashboard. Now, once on your dashboard, the first thing you will need to do is select Design Site in the top right hand corner, and you're going to tap on Pick a Template. After selecting Pick a Template, from here you can choose from any one of the templates. If you don't see one that you like, you could tap on All Templates and you could explore the different templates that Wix has. Another thing that you could also do is by hovering over the different sections, you will see different suggestions. For example, if we were to hover over Business and Services, I'll just be selecting the Consulting and Coaching one. And then from there, you can see different templates. And I'm going to be selecting this one, for example. And we'll tap on Edit. After selecting Edit, you're going to give it a few seconds while your website loads up in the background. Once here, you're going to close the pop-up box. Tap on the plus 50% in the top right hand corner. And before we start editing our website, I want you to activate your plan, your subscription plan. So you're going to go over to the top left hand corner and you're going to select Site. Then we're going to tap on My Dashboard. After selecting My Dashboard, you'll be redirected to your dashboard once more. Once on your dashboard, you're going to go over to the left hand column. And from there, you're going to see the option Catalog. And you can tap on Booking Services. And from there, you could offer different services that you'll be able to offer with your consultation or whatever type of plan you like to sell. So for example, let's say I'm going to be offering online fitness training. I could select online fitness training. After doing this, we can change the thumbnail image. You could change the title if you want. And you can also add in the duration. Once you have done that, you'll scroll down and you can select with plan or per session or with a plan. You can select whichever one of these options. So we're going to be selecting per session or with a plan. Then we can scroll down and from here we can charge a fixed price, as you can see right here. So you could enter the price that you want. Once you're finished, you're going to tap on Edit and Connect Plan. So we're going to tap there. After selecting Edit and Connect Plan, you will be redirected to this page. And from here, you could give the plan a name. So we're just going to leave it at monthly membership. Then you can add a cover image. So you'll tap there and you could upload a cover image by selecting Upload Media, or you can select Media from Wix. And I'll just be selecting this image for example's sake. Then we'll tap on Add to Page. After doing that, you can scroll down and you can see the service that they'll be receiving. And also we can set up the recurring payment that we will charge. So you can set your price and you'll select monthly. Then you can see payments stop after. You're going to tap right there and we'll select no end date. So that means that the client will need to cancel the plan. Once you're finished doing that, you can choose whether you would like to also offer the option for a one-time payment. And you can also add extra benefits. So for example, if you'll be writing blog articles, you could select blog subscriptions. You can also scroll down and you can add a policy and so on. Then you will tap on save. After selecting save, you'll tap on save once more in the top right hand corner. Once that has been added, you're going to go over to the left hand menu option and select pricing plan. And you can see our first pricing plan has been created. If you would like to create another plan, you can do that. So we could tap on create plan in the top right hand corner and you could create another plan. So for example, let's say we were to call this silver. Then you could add a cover image once more and you could add the benefits that they'll be receiving. So you could add in the features right there of the different services that they'll be receiving. And you can scroll down and you can see booking services. And then you can select the service that you'll be offering. You can select either all services or you could create a new service. You can scroll down and you can also charge the price. So you could set the price, select monthly, then you'll select length of plan and you're going to tap on until cancelled and then you'll tap on save. So that's how you'll be able to set up different tiers of services. Once you're finished doing that, you're going to select getting paid from the left hand menu option. And you're going to tap on connect payment method. And this is where you'll be able to connect different payment options. For example, I'm located in Jamaica, so I'll be able to offer TiloPay and PayPal. But if I were to change my location to, for example, Canada, you'll realize that I can now offer clients a whole new set of payment methods. For example, we can accept payment with Wix. If I were to tap on see more payment option, we can accept Square, Afterpay, Klarna, and so on. So it varies depending on the country you're located in. Keep in mind to accept payments online using Wix or any other plan except PayPal, you'll need to go onto their paid plan. So you can definitely go onto their paid plan as it is very affordable compared to other platforms. So once you're finished doing that, you're going to tap on set up once more in the top left hand corner and you're going to tap on design site and you will be redirected to your editor page. Once on your editor page, you will now be able to edit each page to your liking as we have already added the pricing plan. So all you'll need to do is simply tap on the section you want to change. For example, the name, select edit text. Then from there, I could add in my name instead. Just like that. And we can change the background image by tapping on quick edit. You could go over to the right hand column, tap on change and you could change the image. Also change the paragraph text, title and so on. And it's as easy as that to edit each section. By simply tapping on it, you can edit the section. And if you would like to add an element, you can tap on add element in the top left hand corner, which is the plus. And you can choose to add a text, button, image, anything at all. And to view the pages on your website, you will tap on the third icon in the top left hand corner. And this is pages. And from there, you could tap on plans and you'll see the different pricing plans that you have created. As you can see right there. You can also select services and you'll see the different services that you have created. And you can edit the pages just like that. Once you're finished, you'll tap on publish and your website will now be live. And that's it. That's how you'll be able to sell digital subscriptions on Wix. So for example, persons can go onto your website, book your service, tap on plans right there, and they can also sign up to your plan by tapping on select. They can do that. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section, and thank you for watching.